What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as QQQ and the S&P 500. Guys, we look really good right now. That's actually surprising because the past couple of days we've been correcting, but I'm starting to notice some very solid supports being hit and upheld. And if things go our way, we should be able to see that reversal, that pump to the upside that we've been tracking for several days now. You can see many days ago, we're going back 5-6 days here, we've had a very large bull flag formation forming on Solana, XRP, a lot of these major cryptocurrencies. You can see in the thumbnail drawn here, major descending fractal, a major bull flag 4 days ago, 3 days ago. Just 2 days ago, we were talking about it. We left off on Saturday. Today's Monday morning, and you can see that we're coming to the end, retesting major bottom support, and hopefully we can rebound off that and start to ascend higher. You can see XRP is the one crypto where things are getting a little bit wonky. We might have to adjust some stuff. It almost looks like we could extend out our uptrend just a hair to include this. Something along the lines of this now. We're starting to see some sort of descending fractal. We don't know exactly, but there's some sort of descending fractal forming here. But aside from XRP, we have like Solana, which has rebounded very nicely off bottom support to the upside here. Ethereum coming into contact with its price floor, and hopefully we should see that reversal that we were anticipating now. As you can see, we've pretty much bottomed off on support here as well, so we are looking for a reversal there. Same thing with this. We go to Bitcoin here. We would likely expect to see a similar movement. Now that we've bottomed off, we're looking for that swing to the upside. Moving average, lots of supports, hopefully allowing the markets to propel themselves higher. And it's aside from that, like QQQ is getting very close to breaking out of its major resistance. We rebounded quite nicely off support. You can see we have a beautiful descending fractal, a bull flag, and if we can confirm closure above major price ceiling right here, I'd very likely expect to see a long position take place. Same thing with the stock market here. So with that being said, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into today's technical analysis, remember BYDFI is doing a deposit and trade bonus reward up to $11,000. That is insane, much higher than what it's ever been in the past here. It's usually $8,100, but now you get to take profits or bonuses home of up to $11K, which is pretty insane. That means that once you hit the deposit and volume, you can get this free bonus, and that bonus you can trade around with instead of using your actual money. Any profit earned off that bonus, you can withdraw completely free. So if you're a whale, and it's not even like whale, this is more of a volume boost here, because a 7K deposit, even a 20K deposit, for some of you guys is not that hard to hit. It's all coming down to just more so volume to hit here. So they're giving you rewards based on volume for the most part. If you hit these, you can get free bonus crypto, which is super cool. More info about BYDFI later on in today's episode here. You can see the current coin market cap to start. We're doing not too bad. We're definitely in a consolidative point here, down 1.7 on Bitcoin for the week. 2% for Ethereum, 8.7 for XRP. That's like the only crypto really getting hit pretty hard, aside from these smaller ones here. But it's a lot of consolidation over the past 24 hours. Nothing too concerning, but really just not seeing much movement just yet. But when I jump to XRP, notice here, it's like we are in a descending fractal on the 4-hour. I'll scale us to the daily here. We are in a downtrend. We definitely have some sort of downtrend taking place here. We are looking for a break above that. Like we came into contact with this moving average, we rebounded off of it, and it looks like we're heading up, but we need to clear this yellow resistance here for us to ascend higher. There is room for us to head up, guys. It is definitely a big possibility. You can see kind of coming into contact finally with the daily moving average. If we could stay above it, especially since this is the first time coming into contact with it within like maybe several months. I don't remember the last time we actually retested it. It was right here, November 24th. So November, December, January, February, 4 months ago. Aside from here where we wicked, but I'm talking about actually closing on it. It was about 4 months ago here. If we rebound off of it, there's a chance we could at least see a subtle rally to the upside. Otherwise, expect to see a correction through it. But we are undervalued on XRP. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a small reversal, but it's not my main focus. Like XRP for sure is not like what I'm prioritized on. We could extend this out. I'm just trying to see if there's another resistance. It doesn't look all that good. I wouldn't focus on XRP, which is annoying because we like to trade XRP fairly often here on the channel. You could take advantage of the bid of XRP trade on BitFi though, but as well as other cryptocurrencies. Not many exchanges offer XRP, so a BitFi does. So when the time is right, if we're able to scale this, like you can see on, this is on Bitcoin. It might not be the same on XRP. You can see we're coming into contact very close to this 99-day moving average. If we can like rappel off this, we could see a fairly nice rebound, which would be quite nice. But you can see we're coming out of a descending fractal. We broke down. This is a bull flag that usually rallies us up, but the confirmation closure here scaled us lower. And now we're getting low to this moving average, something we haven't been at since like late 2024. So we could see one small recovery, and then we're going to kind of deaden off or die out here. But take advantage of it on BitFi. You might as well, completely free, get up to 11K. Link is down in the description below. But aside from that, they even have a reward center here and a demo trading account. So on top of what they usually offer, or on top of the promo of, can this load? There we go. On top of what they usually offer or what they are currently offering 11K, they are also offering up to 8K in new user bonuses from signing up with the link down in the description below. Get a lot of free bonus crypto here. You can experiment and find it with yourself, play around with that yourself. But what I want to show you is their demo account, 50K in demo money here. And this is very useful because not many exchanges offer demo accounts, here. And what that means is you get basically unlimited practice money. So you can practice getting familiar with the Bitcoin exchange or with the BitFi exchange, practice trading Bitcoin, practice trading XRP, learn the exchange, get familiar with it. If you can make some consecutive trades, you can head on over to the live account, use the bonus money and practice your skills and actually, or not even practice your skills, put your skills to the test. Whatever you earn, like profit-wise off of it, you can withdraw completely free, which is super cool. And on top of the BitFi demo account here, the sign-up bonus, I do want to look at some of these other cryptocurrencies like Solana here. And aside from like XRP, seeing that possible reversal, what is more solidified here is things like Solana, which show clearly a beautiful bull flag and this very large descending fractal slowly sending us down. We rebounded quite nicely off this support here, and now we're stuck between a rock and a hard place. Price ceiling, downtrend, moving average. We need to close above this, and then we could expect to see a pretty solid reversal rally here. This is textbook bull flag. Like, it doesn't get any more textbook than this. And aside from Solana, similar with Solana, aside from it, we have Ethereum, which is in a huge uptrend here. And you can see how many times we've come into contact and rebounded off of it. And here we are at the most perfect interval on the weekly charts here where we've rebounded. You can clearly see bulls are still here right above the support, retesting weekly moving average. We are looking for a explosive reversal to the upside here. And it's very likely going to happen, which is very exciting if you ask me. So expect to see an uptick in the markets and expect to see us swing to the upside because it doesn't get any more convenient than this. Look at how often Ethereum forms these bull flags. Breakout, descending fractal, breakout. Here's another bull flag, descending fractal, breakout. So it's very common, and we've consolidated it enough. Like, notice we've fallen a total of 34% at a peak of 50%, that it's long overdue that we can have a sudden, smaller reversal and swing out of it. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. Bitcoin as well, coming into contact with moving average on this uptrend here, stuck between all-time highs and the uptrend. We should expect a small little reversal, a small little uptick in the market movements here. So that's what I'm paying attention to. QQQ, again, we're just waiting for confirmation closure above resistance for us to continue the trend higher. We can pan out all the way down. It's not as aggressive here, but we can very easily continue to fill this in and then see the breakout. Or if we do it earlier, we'll see a larger one here. But it doesn't matter. I mean, even if we do have this consolidation, I think it'll be more helpful for the markets. And then we could expect to see that rally. Same thing with the stock market. We've almost trended outside of this descending fractal that I had. And it's almost like we're forming a new one. So I'm going to delete these for the time being because it's like we're done with it. You can see we consolidated all the way down to moving average and pumped up. So it's almost like we're now left to do the same thing, consolidate all the way down and then pump up again. And you can see we were at all-time highs. Now we're consolidating and we're at all-time highs. So if we hit this, we'll be near all-time highs. And a small little reversal to set us all the way up here is pretty much we're starting at a level that we rallied up to. Like we rallied, you can see here, up to this all-time high and then fell. And here we are consolidating at the all-time high, so giving us room to pump higher. So all in all, we do look good. It's just when is it going to happen? But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.